Okay, now let's look at doing something like this. So if we say we do set block again, this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this, this, and this, and we're going to put ice. And what this will do is place an ice block directly above my head. Okay, now what we're going to try is doing a similar sort of thing. So let's try and fill in a set of blocks which is in this quadrant. So again in the west to northwest quadrant, right? Okay, so well, it's not actually a quadrant, I suppose. But anyway, so we'll start directly above our head again, right? So we'll go this, this, and this, right? So then what we want to do is we want to build a 5 by 5 by 5 box. So we go from 0. Okay, so we're going in the x direction. So we need to go negative. So it would be 0 to 4 if it was positive. So it's going to be, okay, so we want to go to -4, right? That's where we want it to go. Now in the y direction, we're still going to go positive, right? So we want to go up to 6. And then in the z direction, we're going negative again. So we're going to go to -4. So what that should do, this command, it will look first of all, the first coordinate 2 blocks above my head. That will be the starting point. Then it will go 4 in the x, so directly forward, and then so that's where so it's basically it's the 2 coordinates of the corners. So this should be 125 blocks. Let's have a look. So we look there. That does seem to be the right spot there, and that looks about right. Okay, let's put that command into an actual command block. So in command blocks, you don't actually need this. We need that, but okay. So that should be fine, right? So if we put this in here like this, you see it's going to do a similar sort of thing, right? Okay, so as long as I'm looking in the same direction, I can put in this command. So it'll be execute at P, and it will be able to, wherever I'm standing, so for instance, say I'm standing right next to it and click it, puts me right at this bottom corner here. Or even if I'm standing over here, so even if I'm standing over here as well, it will still place me right in this bottom corner, exactly where I want that to be. Okay, let's so yeah, this is west to northwest, right? Let's try something else now. Right. So instead of at P though, we're going to do at E, and we're going to go type equals donkey, and then radius equals, I don't know, 30, and then we're going to have the same command. I'm still a bit unsure about these ones here, but it should be right. Let's have a look, see what happens when we do that. Cool. So you can see what's happened is it's made all the boxes, and this and the donkeys are actually standing in the, yeah, obviously this one, some of it has gone a little bit, some of the donkeys got out before I put them in, but that's pretty cool. So you can make loads of different structures at the same time depending on where the various animals are standing. And yeah, so okay.